Hello, this is Ian from Lean Media. Today I'm going to show you how to reprint a shipping label for an inbound FBA shipment. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. Log into Amazon Seller Central and you want to go to the shipments management area. So go to the menu icon, click on that. You should find the, let's see here, orders, inventory. It is under shipments. And then find the shipment that you need to reprint the label for. So one thing that I do is I always rename my shipment so I can quickly tell which one they are, because I send in lots of shipments. And I'm happy to say that this is the one I'm looking for. So 100 tan, 2 boxes. Click on that. And then go. There'll be a section under shipment called created using send to Amazon. So this is the tool I use to send my inbound Amazon FBA shipments. So I'm going to click on that. And then you'll see step 3, box labels printed. I'm going to reopen that. And then here is the tool to print the label again. So I am going to select 8.5 by 5.5. That is the US letter size. I'm going to click print. It's going to open it up in a new tab. And then I'm going to print that. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And thank you so much for watching.